Hey guys, welcome back. It is a beautiful, balmy, 100-degree day here in the great state of Texas. I thought I would go ahead and do something different instead of doing it up in the office. Since we had a nice cool snap, it's only 100 instead of 107 or 112. I thought we would do the intro out here today. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm only sweating for you. And we just got back from Carlisle, Pennsylvania, and I want to say thank you to Benjamin who handed me this awesome shirt. Very much appreciated. Let's stick a picture of him and his daughters that we took at Carlisle in here right now. But man, we had a great time meeting everybody at Carlisle. But today we have a newer product from Extreme Online Store, one that I'm very excited about. It is the center console side panels, the lower and the upper. So we're going to do a quick unboxing. We're going to take a look at these and then we're going to get them installed. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and open these up. I did pre-cut the boxes, so that way I don't cut myself. I'm not great at cutting boxes. We're going to take a quick drink of water to help cover up the heat. Very refreshing. Well, let's take a look inside. And if I was smart, I would have brought a knife out here with me, but I'm not. Ooh. And these are two sides, by the way. So there'll be two pieces per box, one for the driver's side, one for the passenger side. My neighbors always appreciate it if I let trash fly into their yard because it makes them feel like it's trash day every day. Whew. You always know it's carbon fiber because it's always so light. One thing I'll mention too, to me, carbon fiber is much like tattoos. People go out and go, I'm going to get a tattoo. Then they get 2, then they get 3, then they get 10, then they have a sleeve. Carbon fiber is much the same. I started, I'm just going to get a couple pieces, and then a little bit more, and then a little bit more, and here we are. I want my whole entire interior carbon fiber. So here is, I believe that's the lower side right there. Let's check out the uppers. You know what? Let's just skip it. You're going to see it in a minute anyway. We'll just check it out then. All right, guys, so before we get started, I'm going to show you where these products are going to go. It's going to fill in right here. You can see that area right underneath, and then along here all the way to the back. So I actually did the other side just as an attempt to kind of look at the bottom section of it, and my goodness, I absolutely love it. And I want to say aloha to my friend Mark Cutsey, who has a C7, or C7, there we go, C7. He has the C8 Z06 Accelerate Yellow, black racing stripes, the carbon flash black. Absolutely love it. He actually already has this product in his. This is where I saw it and I was like, I want that. So anyway, shout out to him, and we're going to go ahead and get these installed, man. Okay, so the next step is we're going to wipe the area down that we're installing these two products with isopropyl alcohol, just to make sure it's clean of any debris, oils from the skin, whatever. And then we're going to fit everything in right here, and it's going to look fantastic. I cannot wait to get it installed. All right, so let's wipe all this off inside of here. Everywhere it's going to stick. All behind the seat. So the lower piece is going to go right here, but the first thing we have to do is take a couple of days and pull off all of this red backing on the double-sided tape.
The next day.
All right, so as you can see, all of the backing is off the double-sided tape, and those of you that watch me in my videos will know I generally always miss something. I always miss at least one piece somewhere. Get this fit in. It's right in all of the locations. And we got a wire going through there, so a little bit of a tight fit. But now I'm gonna go get a microfiber towel. We're gonna push this thing and rub it in really good. All right, so let's rub this, kind of push it in, make sure it's snug and sealed. And for those of you see this blue right here, might be a little bit of a hint of things to come to my channel down the road. Hopefully. That's the hope. We all have dreams, right? And it's a bit of a throwback. All right, so now we're going to install the part that goes right here, the upper. And as you can see, I did pull off all of the backing tape. This one's going to be a little bit more of a trick because I don't know if you can see right there. I have my Pro Clip wire going through there, the charger part of it. So I'm going to try to slide it through and hopefully I don't have too much trouble, especially with a camera in my way. It's always a lot harder to do installs when you're trying to film. People are like, why didn't you do this and why didn't you do that? I said, because it was hard. I was filming. I guess it wasn't too bad. What do you guys think? Now, this is also only on the driver's side. There is not one for the passenger side. All right, guys, that's going to do it for the driver's side. What do you think? We're about to go and put the passenger side in here in just 1 second. That one I'll just show you the final product on. But so far, I'm absolutely loving this. All right, this is the final product, passenger side, right there. Absolutely, incredibly, absolutely beautiful. What do you think? That carbon fiber is amazing. And look, again, like I've showed you before, that's the GM carbon fiber. Here's EOS. Man, such an amazing, it's so close you wouldn't even be able to tell the difference. And of course, we've got the WATERFALL right here, the upper and the lower. On the WATERFALL, and of course along the dash, all along here, on the other side. Let's step back around and take a look at the other side. And yes, it's very, very hot. I'm melting out here, but check it out. Again, the final product looks fantastic. So I think that's gonna do it. So I don't know if you can see I'm sweating. It's been a very hot day. My phone would have shut off. I keep bringing it back inside to put it in the fridge, cool it off. But you gotta do what you gotta do when you use an iPhone. Maybe it's time to upgrade to a real camera, but whatever the case, hey, listen, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, consider subscribing, share the video. Anyway, I hope everyone has a great week. Thanks for watching.